Andito kami sa labas, nilalakad namin si Molly. So dito kami sa ibang part ng town. Tapos tingnan nyo ang mga kamaisan. Corns. Ang dami nila, grabe. Tapos ito yung side ng river. Tree. Look at the river. We don't know where Molly's going, but it looks like a little bridge. That one. That is water. That's very clear there. Molly, are you going for a swim? Come on, let's go. This is not it, darling. It's on the other side. Oof. Ah, there's more corn. So many. Mos, what are you waiting for? Oh, she wanna go there. Come on. Let's go. Hey, 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 let's go. Good girl. Hey! Molly, you're very strong. Look at this flower, Molly. Look at this little yellow flower. Molly, wait. Look. Beautiful. These are the berries. So you can eat them, but I think they're a bit tart. They're sweet.
Not too tart. They're alright.
There you go. Ooh. So many of them. Molly, wait. Molly, wait, look. Molly, look. Look, these ones. Look at these black dolls.
I don't
Get
eat
one.
these too, like, because dogs might weed on them.
Oh. There's a lot of them. So sa tabi lang siya ng daan. Mapupulot siya. So mga ganyang kulay. Yan. Hindi nag-focus. Like this one. Focus! Oop. Yan. Mga ganyang kulay. Dami nila. How many? So when you're outside, you see a lot of, you know, different type of grass, different type of plants, or whatever. But this one, look at it. I'm not really sure what it's called. I need to ask my husband, but it's so fascinating. So when they're green, it looks like this. Oop. Focus. Like that. And then they're brown now. That's the other one. Oops, focus. There you go. It's so fascinating. Ang ganda talaga dito sa lugar namin. Is the race course. Ay, mahangin na naman. Si Molly tinatamad na maglakad. Kaya kung ano-ano na lang entertainment ang ginagawa ng asawa ko. By the way, ito yung the other side sa cornfield. Yan yung corn, oh. There. Pero ang haba niya talagang papunta doon. Ang dami niya. So this is the other side of the cornfield. Diba? Ang dami! Harvest na tayo. There's the doggies.
Yes. Oh, she's beautiful.
Oh, Molly me. Ambot na lang, Molly. Ambot. Look at Molly. She's so tired. She can't be mounted. Molly, you're funny.
Like a boomerang. No, it's like a boomerang.
Run! Ay, ambot. Layo na nila. Naiwanan ako. Ay, nako, ewan.
Heel, Molly, good job. Heel, good job. Look, loose lead walking. Heel, good go, Molly. Good go. Grows on the tree, in this case, until it's ready and becomes acorn. With the yellow at the bottom from where the case was. And then the squirrels gather them to eat.